My name is Chad, founder of the Arcane Candle Company.
I started this business because most candles smell great in the jar, but disappear when you burn them. I became obsessed with fixing that. Every candle is hand poured by me in small batches, using wooden wicks and premium fragrance oils designed to actually fill a room. What really makes my brand different is the whole experience, even down to the packaging. And every scent is inspired by fantasy, storytelling, and atmosphere. Scents like sorcery, bright, nostalgic, and completely unexpected. I work a full-time 9 to 5 job, and I build this at night. Every candle, every order, it all matters. The Arcane Candle Company isn't just about candles. It's about bringing a little magic into everyday life.